Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by mapping needs and constraints, inventory channels, identify audiences, and set basic access rules. Create a short spreadsheet or note with channel name, purpose, and who needs read/write access. Once done, assign primary categories like info, support, community, and voice so you have a framework. Make sure to prioritize channels that affect moderation and onboarding first, because they shape member flow and reduce future rework. You now implement the structure inside Discord. Create categories named for purpose and add short descriptions. Move channels into their matching categories and consolidate duplicates. This reduces confusion and moderation overhead. Apply permissions at the category level to propagate settings, then tweak channel-level exceptions where necessary. As you work, test role access with a dummy account or role to verify visibility and posting rights. You finish by writing a concise channel guide and pinning it in info so newcomers know where to go. Standardize naming and add prefixes or emojis to signal channel purpose, then enable slow mode and auto mod where traffic spikes. Once complete, monitor activity for a week and iterate. If permissions misbehave, inspect role hierarchy, category overrides, and channel-specific overwrites first. Those are the most common sources of access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.